Hi, I'm Tamanna and you're watching me on Pink Villa.
Breakfast is like a smoothie bowl which I kind of create, which has gluten-free granola, dates in it, almond milk, some nuts in it, a banana in it. If I get berries, I put berries. If I don't get berries, I put something else that is a substitute. So my first meal is that. And on the days I'm eating, I just eat eggs because that's the way I get my protein source. So there are days eggs, which is probably poached, or an omelette with a lot of vegetables. These two are normally what I variate between for a breakfast meal. My lunch is I love Indian food, so I eat dal, chawal, sabzi, which is what I love the most, and that I find that the most satiating. Dinner. I actually for me dinner before the meal before dinner is very important. So that is around like 5:36. I end up snacking on a lot of nuts, and then I work out, and then in the night again I eat something that's a protein-rich meal. So sometimes it's eggs with vegetables. Sometimes so it depends on my activity levels. Like the days the activity is a lot, the food changes a little bit, a little more carb in it. If I've really worked out and really burnt it all, then I eat a little more carb at night. Oh yeah, I mean cheat days are as important as pursuing and doing a diet properly. So I think every 10th day I naturally end up cheating, and I cheat with whatever I really feel like eating. I don't cheat if I get something that is lukewarm. Alcohol by itself is not healthy, and if you really want to drink, just drink whatever you want, because I don't think you can. I think it's really sad when people fool themselves saying this is the best, alcoholic drink that is okay for that time. If you're drinking, just drink what makes you happy and then get done with it, and then follow your diet diligently. I think water is the most underrated. Although it's not food, but it's pretty much for your skin. Sometimes you're hungry, but actually you're not hungry. You're pretty much thirsty, but you don't realize that. So water, constant amount of like a lot of water, especially if you live in a city like Mumbai, which I do. I need a lot of water going in. Healthy foods. Everything that is naturally available is healthy. The moment you process any food too much, it loses its natural, its nutrients. So, cooking food to a limited point is nice. Even a potato, for that matter, like if you boil a potato, it's healthy. But if you fry it, it loses its nutrients. I think find something that's sustainable. Like most people don't end up starting off their weight loss goals only because they just try something too drastic. Too drastic does give you results, but then it's not sustainable, so you get back to what you are, and then that's not motivating. So essentially I feel it's very important for whoever wants to go on a weight loss program should do something that is actually sustainable, and little willpower ke bagair to fir kuch bhi nahi ho sakta. So this is what I eat in a day. Of course there are days where I still eat what I really like to eat, so of course it sounds really healthy and stuff. But
Hi everyone, I'm Tara Sataria and I'm so excited to be here on Pink Villa, and this is what I eat in a day. I never thought that I was one of those people that could just eat everything and get away with it, but I've been told that I am. I do realize though that I think that's just now because I'm in my 20s, I can afford to do that. But I come from a very like khata pita, like Parsi family where everyone's main goal in the day is to talk about food, eat food, make food. So I need to be very careful. But yeah, I'm fortunate. I've also been, working my whole life and dancing my whole life. So luckily that's kept me in shape. But yeah, I've just started working out recently. So thank God. Apart from my tea, I think just catch up with my friends, because I know sometimes in the day things can get really busy, and despite the lockdown so much is going on. I think just catch up with my friends as soon as I take my first sip of tea. I'm like, hi guys, what's up? Because I don't want to miss out on anything that's going on in their lives. So yeah, that. So what I usually eat, I'm not a huge breakfast eater. I'm more of a tea person, but when I do eat breakfast, I usually eat it when I'm on set and shooting, because I need the energy for the whole day. It could be an omelette, or it could be, like I said, eggs kejriwal, which is basically just a fried egg with lots of mirchi on a buttery, cheesy toast, which is again not very healthy, but it's yummy. So guys, please try it. And yeah, it could be like a really yum sandwich, or yeah, just chai. I'm not a big breakfast person. For lunch, every day is different. Like I said, in our house, at lunch we're talking about what to eat for dinner, and at dinner we're talking about what to eat for lunch. So it's every day is different. I don't really have a diet like most people. I think in our industry stick to a certain plan and then cheat on Sundays or things like that. I would love to know how these people are doing it, because I don't know how. I really need to. Every day is different. I mean, like today I had biryani for lunch and I tried making some jungly mutton for dinner. So I mean, every day is different. My last meal, I try to do that as early as possible, around 8:30, I think. Favorite meal of the day, I think, would be dinner, because I like to put my candles on, put music on. Everyone's usually free at that time of the night, so I usually, love to.
Night owl, for sure not. I love I love Indian Chinese. Like, you take me to this place that has good chili chicken with Szechuan rice. Oh God. Yeah, I love it. I love Indian Chinese. Then I also like Indian cuisine, and sometimes say Italian works. I just told you, chili chicken with Szechuan rice. Oh, my cheat meal has a long list. We can do another interview on the basis of what all I should not eat, but I tend to eat. Cheat meal again. I love. I don't have a sweet tooth, but I love modak. It's a Maharashtrian cuisine. Okay, it's मतलब उखड़ी modak is लाजवाब. अगर आपने try नहीं किया, then you should eat that. Okay, so modak, Indian Chinese, pizza. Yeah, and I should stop. No sugar. No sugar. Maybe natural sugar could do from fruits, and yeah, but no sugar. I mean, that is something that I've been trying to avoid for the longest time, and I think I'm doing good. So I think a big no has to be sugar and fried food. Makhana. I love makhana. I think popcorn is also healthy. Yeah, makhana and popcorn. Spicy. I love spicy food. I love spice in everything. Like, give me a salad and add peri peri in it and I'll be happy. Okay. Favorite dessert. I'm